We'll guide you through how to share your ChatGPT account. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the ChatGPT website on your desktop. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, you need to navigate to the settings menu, which you can find in the lower left corner of the page. Click on it to access your account settings. In the settings menu, look for the option labeled account or something similar, which allows you to adjust your account preferences here. You should see an option for parental controls. Click on it, then click add family member. It's designed to let you share your ChatGPT access with other users. Click on this option and you will be prompted to enter the email addresses of the people you want to share your account with. Make sure these email addresses are correct, as this is how they will receive the invitation to access your account. After entering the emails, confirm your selection. The system will send an invitation link to the provided email addresses, allowing them to access the ChatGPT account with their credentials. It's important to note that sharing your account does not mean sharing your password. The invited users will have their own login credentials linked to your account. This is a secure way to let others use your ChatGPT without compromising your personal information. If you want to manage who has access later, you can return to the same account sharing section to add or remove users. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.